Hello everyone, welcome back. What if I told you there are plants you can grow once and keep harvesting for years? No replanting every season. No buying the same food again and again. Today I'm showing you some of the best edible plants that come back every year, saving you money, time, and effort. Once they are established, they can keep producing season after season. Let's get started. Number 1, asparagus. If you plant asparagus once, it can produce for 15 to 20 years. Yes, one planting can feed you for decades. It takes patience in the beginning because you usually wait a couple of years before harvesting. But after that, every spring it returns stronger. Fresh asparagus from your own garden is hard to beat. Number 2, rhubarb. Rhubarb is another classic perennial food plant. Plant it once and it can keep producing thick red stalks for many years. It loves cold climates and becomes larger every season. Great for pies, jams, desserts, and homemade sauces. Just remember, only the stalks are edible. Number 3, chives. Chives are one of the easiest plants you'll ever grow. Plant them once and they come back every spring. You can cut what you need again and again. Use them in eggs, salads, soups, potatoes, and more. They also produce beautiful purple flowers that pollinators love. Number 4, walking onions. This one surprises most people. Walking onions multiply on their own. They grow small bulbs on top, which bend down, touch the soil, and start new plants nearby. That's why they're called walking onions. Plant once, and they keep expanding year after year. Great for green onions, cooking, and self-sufficient gardens. Number 5, strawberries. Strawberries are one of the best money-saving plants. Buy one healthy plant, and it sends out runners that create new plants. Over time, one patch can turn into many. Fresh strawberries every year, with very little effort once established. Perfect for raised beds, garden rows, or containers. Number 6, Jerusalem artichokes. Also called sunchokes. These are sunflower relatives that grow edible tubers underground. Plant a few once and they often come back stronger every year. Very productive, very hardy, and excellent for people wanting low-maintenance food crops. Number 7, mint. Mint is famous for one reason. It never quits. Plant it once and it spreads quickly. That's why many gardeners grow it in containers. Perfect for tea, desserts, drinks, and fresh summer recipes. Easy, fragrant, and nearly impossible to kill. Bonus picks. Here are a few more worth growing. Sorrel, tangy leafy green that returns each spring. Horseradish, plant once and harvest roots for years. Lovage, a celery-flavored herb that grows back bigger each year. Thyme, hardy herb that survives many winters. Easy, fragrant, and nearly impossible to kill. Important tip: before planting, always check your climate zone, sunlight needs, space requirements. Some plants spread aggressively, like mint or walking onions. So containers or designated beds can be a smart choice. Why this matters: growing perennial food plants is one of the smartest ways to garden. Why? Because you plant once, then spend less money every year. Less digging, less seed buying, less work. And over time, your garden becomes more productive on its own. So if you want a garden that gives back every year, start with these plants. A little effort once can reward you for years. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple gardening ideas, money-saving plants, and easy food growing tips. And I'll see you in the next video.